Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Kartika Plaza Street and the beach in July 2021. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay, today we will explore Seminyak Street. And today, 5th of July, is like a lockdown in Bali, so the street is very quiet. Mall, shop is all closed. You see, right side, left side, it's very empty, isn't it? See the left side? There is Babagam. It's a very famous restaurant, but it's closed. And also in the right side, there is the big hotel, Bali Garden. It's very quiet. Okay, now we are in Kartika Plaza Beach, just behind Discovery Mall. Some tourists, they playing surfing. Glad to see that. But all the business just on the beach is closed actually. Kartika Plaza Street, we have Discovery Mall. There is the mall connecting by the ocean. Very beautiful, isn't it? And in Kartika Plaza, there is a lot of hotel connecting by the ocean. But during the pandemic corona, the hotel almost empty, no people. You can see the right side. It's no people, isn't it? This also. The hotel open, but no people. Okay guys, so there's the condition at the moment in Kartika Plaza Street and the beach. And if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Also don't forget to hit the bell notification because I have more information about Bali. Keep stay in touch. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.